Hey there, people. How's it going? Today I am going to be talking about the Black & Decker Easy Steam Anti-Drip Iron. Yes, this iron has been with me for about 2 years now. And here's a little something between me and this iron. I am more leaning toward the heavier, more old-fashioned, strong, heavy irons like from the 50s, a real heavy grandma type iron that, people used to have that really lays on your clothes and feels real heavy. Like when you push it across, you feel like something's really heavy pushing down on your clothes and making them really flat and taking out those wrinkles. I'm more leaning toward that kind of iron versus this kind. And this kind is more of the type that they're making today. And I mean, the iron works really well. It does everything it's supposed to. It's very, very easy to function. There's all kind of different adjusting things that you can use to adjust the temperature of the steam, and you can add water and such. And it comes in not just this aqua green type color, but it comes in, different colors too. I also saw it in a bluish color, and it works very well, actually. I mean, if you just want to, have an economical iron that irons your clothes and you can carry, and it's light and travel with, and it's really good. One thing that surprised me though, you see how the steam comes out like that? It comes out automatically by itself. I thought when I bought it that you would push this button here and the button would shoot out steam. I thought that's what it was, but it turns out that the iron shoots out the steam automatically when you're ironing your clothes just by itself. And this button shoots out the water. Like if you want to spray water on your clothes just to, help it iron better, because when fabric is wet it irons better, so see, you can see it here. See how it comes out? You spray that and then you iron that over, so yeah, the steam comes out automatically and it's really good. This power indicator light shows you that the iron is on. And it has a lot of different functions. I mean, here as far as temperature and levels of steam. Yeah, so it works really well. I like it, but like I said, I'm more prevalent to the grandma type irons that the 50s and the 60s made for us. And that's just a preference. But it does work really well. I really like it when the iron is cordless. I've seen those. This cord is pretty long, so it doesn't really get in the way that much, but it's okay. It's okay. Everybody deals with a cord on their iron pretty much. One day they'll have no cords on irons. That does tend to get in the way. I like it a lot. So hopefully I will have this iron for a long time. It has not given me indication that it will break. It's very lightweight, and I like it that I can travel with it. The heavier iron, you can't really travel with it, but I didn't really do that much traveling anyway. But it was what it was. It still worked best for me. It was like if you sent your clothes to a actual cleaners, Yeah, I like it a lot. Hopefully I'll get a lot of wear out of this iron. Doesn't seem like it's close to breaking at all. Still looks fairly new. And it does well. Yeah, a lot of people don't feel the same way as I do as far as irons, because they do want the compact iron that is really light, that they can just take on the airplane with them and put in their travel bag and stuff like that. But this iron will probably do them well. Yeah, so I recommend it. I haven't had any problems with it. Maybe I will put some weights on it to make it seem a little heavier just for nostalgia's sake that I like. Other than that, yeah, this iron will do very well by anybody pretty much using it. I like it a lot. One day I will actually find another heavy iron. They sell them, I think they do, but I have to search. But Black & Decker, that's a good brand and a lot of people swear by it. So yeah, so that is the Black & Decker Easy Steam Anti-Drip Iron. Yeah, very lightweight and you'll get a lot of use out of it. Yeah, I recommend it. All right, guys, hopefully you use this information and I'll see you next time. All right, bye-bye.